This is Monica and welcome back. So this is finally craft room clean out part 2. I know this shouldn't have taken me this long to get this part up, but it did, and now I'm back. So let's do it. And so first part was sublimation. This part we're getting back on our glitter tumbler groove. This is a glitter tumbler, just a marble tumbler that I made, swirl marble, whatever you want to call it. Literally made this tumbler over a year ago. Like the memory popped up on my photos, and then this is just a 30-ounce tumbler that I glittered, y'all, and like you can see like the edges is jacked up, so we're gonna fix that. Y'all, that's a steel magnolia tumbler. They've been out of business for 7 months. Like I didn't even know that, cause like I don't, y'all know, like I don't be coming on here trying to push my personal beliefs on y'all, but like I can't support businesses who are really like extreme in their beliefs. And Still Magnolia was one of those companies. I still don't wish nobody to go out of business, especially that's how you feed your family. Like, girl, that don't got nothing to do with it. But like, yeah. After I seen some things that they had posted, they kind of made me regret supporting them. But that's neither here nor there, baby, because they're out of business anyways. So yeah. So let's cut up some vinyl. I was like, what am I gonna do? Like, should I just like make these like ready to ship tumblers? And I'm like, girl, what the hell is you drinking out of? I'm drinking out of plain cups with no design on them because it's funny. I seen a video, y'all, and the boy was like, y'all be getting stressed out moving. When I start getting stressed, I just start throwing stuff away. And when I tell y'all that was me, like, if it didn't fit in the box, to the dumpster it goes. Like, I don't have this to do. My husband's like, you don't want to save this? Nope. Get rid of it. It can go. Like, I can buy it again because I can't do this. I'm one of those people, like, when my anxiety flares up, I shut down. And when I shut down, I don't give a fuck. I can't do it. And so, yeah, like I was like, girl, I don't have no cups my damn self. So we'll make myself a cup. And then this other cup, I'm like, okay, like I know like books is popping. I'm getting ready to come out with a book line. When I say a book line, I mean like UV DTF and heat transfer DTF book line, not like I write books. All right, cool. So those are all cut up. And I cut them on my Cricut. That was Oracle vinyl, Tech Wrap vinyl. I will leave links to them below in the description box. So yeah, let's put this on here. Wipe down. Y'all, the cup was even sanded. I literally just did not finish it. And I remember I made this cup on like a live when I had my Patreon. But yeah, I literally just never finished it because Patreon was making my anxiety flare up too. Like when I need to be able to disappear, y'all, I gotta be able to disappear. Okay, that's why I'm like, I don't want y'all's money. Just leave me alone. In case you're wondering, the glitters on that cup, the pink is Sweet 16 Fine. The purple is called Ever After. The white is Icicle, and like the chunky is Opal. So yeah, in case you want to replicate this. And so yeah, y'all can see I was just struggling because like for the life of me, because I feel like I just haven't done like this profile of cup in a long time. So I was like, how do I get this on here? And so, yeah, I decided to like make it go with the swirl because that makes sense. Because like putting at the top seemed a little remedial. I don't know. I didn't like it going just horizontally across it. I was like, just give it a little razzle dazzle, a little flair. So yeah, and don't ever be afraid to like y'all make it work how it worked for you. Like if you can't, I know y'all be seeing videos people that's real perfect with the vinyl getting on there in one shot, baby. I'm not one of them people. I'm not one of those people, and I'll never be one of those people. I gotta get it how I live, and sometimes that's taking it one step at a time. I also want to say, and then I'm gonna talk about this cup, that it is much easier to layer vinyl directly on the surface. So whoever put that tip out into the universe, thank you, because so many less bubbles. When you're layering separately and you get a lot of bubbles like I used to, start layering directly on whatever you want to layer on. Game changer. So yeah, I'm literally just taking Mod Podge on my finger, tapping it on the areas where it's sparse, and just sprinkling. Now we're moving to the next segment. Boom, let's keep it moving. We're trying to get these cups done. All right. As far as vinyl goes, so I like to seal my vinyl, and I didn't seal my vinyl on that book cup. And like, I don't want to be like, I regret it, but like, I just feel like now it needs another coat of epoxy. Because I don't know, it's smooth and it's sticking, but like putting this, like doing this little extra step to your vinyl, make sure that it will be flat underneath your epoxy. Because sometimes what happens is if you don't press down enough on your vinyl to make it stick to whatever surface, and then you epoxy, get a little hot, and then it lifts that adhesive a little bit, and just like a little bit of epoxy get under that thing, and it like lifts it up a little bit, if that makes any sense. And so that's when you get them situations where you'd be like, why the hell is this bumpy? And then you'd be like, what happened? And it's literally like just one of those fluke things where you didn't press down hard enough. You put a liquid on top of it that got up under your adhesive and just lifted it ever so slightly. It didn't make it blow away like a wig, but it did enough to be like, damn, now I gotta sand and do another layer. So learn from me. Don't skip that step, even if you is sick of working on something or you tired. Girl, just do it. And I let that dry for about an hour before I go do epoxy. Same thing what you're seeing right now with when I do it on glitter. So I didn't even tell y'all what the hell I was sealing with. It's polyacrylic, y'all. Just go get it at Walmart, Home Depot, wherever. If you don't want to get up and leave the house, like I be feeling like sometimes, baby, I'll leave a link to it for Amazon for y'all. I got you, girlies. Like, we're in this together. Like, I know some of y'all might be new here. Hello, welcome. I'm Monica. I be over here trash talking, talking smack. I'm the original shit talker of crafting on the internet. So if you see anybody jacking my swag, just know I took the heat for that, baby. Because people, oh my goodness, y'all, I'm still getting cussed out to this day because I said mother F in one of my videos. I could have did without that. My videos are marked as not for children. So if you can't handle a little profanity, like, girl, the economy, what's going on in the economy? The new tax laws taking effect. Joe Biden getting on my goddamn nerve. Everybody getting on my nerve. My job getting on my nerve. My husband's job is even getting on my nerves. You think I care? If you care that I dropped the F-bomb, baby, please save me from this. Actually, burn it up right now. Well, the planet burning anyway. So burn it up. Like, it's too much. Anyways, I'm using Hog Speed Epoxy. This is from Stainless Steel Depot. I will also leave a link to that below. And thank you to everyone who uses my links and make purchases. Like, I do not take that for granted whatsoever. I appreciate it so much. Yeah, so just, you know, we're practicing great. It's funny because I be going off script. So I don't have a script, but I be going off key all the time because, like, my nephew's very spoiled and he gets whatever he wants because he's like an only child. And my sister was like, you know, we're just practicing gratitude and, you know, let him know he can't get everything that he wants. And sometimes he has to be thankful for what he has. I said, oh, I love that. So yeah, we're practicing gratitude over here in my household as well. So yeah, take your time. Do we need to do glittering 101, epoxy 101? I usually do it every year around the summertime, but I've been getting a lot of views when I check my analytics. Right now, I guess, you know, new year, new me, new craft, new business. If y'all need that, let me know. And so I couldn't find my heat gun. And so using a torch is what you should actually be doing, not a candle lighter like me. Y'all like, what, you got a candlelight in your craft room? Yeah, baby, I be setting vibes, okay? I be in a groove, and I turn on YouTube, I turn on Spotify, I gets it. Be very careful when you're doing it. If you're not used to doing this, or you've never done this before, don't. I'm going to show you why, but I caught mine because I know I be doing stuff wrong, but I know I be knowing how to fix it. But yeah, just very lightly let that thing touch the surface. You got to be careful because look at this. Boom. I burnt a little bit of epoxy. You can burn epoxy with a heat gun too. It's just a lot harder. But when you're putting direct flame to it, so you just got to watch it. I literally just wiped it off with my finger and wiped it on that paper, and the epoxy was fine. It didn't mess with the integrity of the epoxy or the cure or anything. I literally just had burnt that little piece right there. So just be careful. If you've never done that before, baby, please just don't do it. I'd rather you go try to get your blow dryer. Even though I'm real sticky about cross-contaminating. Once it's a craft product, it stays a craft product. So if I bring my blow dryer into my craft room, now it's a crafting blow dryer. But that's just me. Some of y'all be dibbling dabbling. That's why you can't eat at everybody's house, okay? Because y'all be doing too much. All right, let's put this on here. So this is like a little cute, my camera just tried to attack me. Ignore that. Like a book, heart rate, heartbeat thing, because like we're reading more. Like I love the fact that TikTok has resurged reading and kind of saved Barnes and Nobles. And it's funny, I finally joined the library out here, and I was an avid book library goer in New Orleans. I live downtown, so I would literally walk to the main library and get books with my book bag. And even when I was a child, that's something I loved doing, was going to the library. And my mom still talks about me to this day about it. And I joined the Jefferson County Library, even though that is not the county that I live in Colorado. But I be down at Columbine, so it just kind of works out that I can go there when I'm down there. And I called my mom. I was so excited. I was like, can you believe the library doesn't have fees anymore? She was like, you wouldn't know. And I was like, damn, Mom. Okay, girl. Like, you was the one letting my books be late. I was a child. How was I supposed to get them back? But yeah, love books, love reading, love going to the library, love checking out books. Support your local library. It's so important. That is one view I will push on y'all to let's read more and let's support our local libraries because the books are free and it's free to join. And if you're in Colorado, Jefferson County only requires you to be a Colorado resident. So if you're able to get to one of their libraries, like I said, I don't technically live by one, but I'm in Jefferson County frequently, multiple times a week, so it works out for me. I will also be joining the Arapahoe County Library. That's my county. But yeah, support your local libraries because it's important. They have programs too, and they had at the one in Jefferson County, y'all. And I'm going off script again. They had tax stuff, so if you need like tax prep stuff, I'm sure they can help you with that too. So resources. Same epoxy, the Hog Speed epoxy. Like I said, y'all didn't. I didn't seal my vinyl, and I wish I should have. I wish I would have, but I didn't. Live and learn. Yeah, sometimes I skip it, sometimes I don't. Definitely when it's layered vinyl, I think that's just gonna be a new rule to do it. I'm trying to get back in a group. I just haven't been making like I should have. But we're back on our ish for 2024. This is how this cup turned out. It's so pretty. Like when it's sanded, you're like, I don't know how this gonna look. But then when she's finished, oh baby, she looks good. So links to the glitter will be below. Links to the vinyl, links to epoxy will be below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Big things coming. What those are, I could not tell you, baby, but it says good. It says good. It sounds good when you say it. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, baby, hit the button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. One of my videos might pop up in your notifications, and it might be something you want to see. So yeah, check me out. Appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.